Hello and welcome to Co-Learning Lounge presents IPL Fantasy Team of the Day. I'm your host Nitali Agarwal and we have our match 16 in our hand today. So this is another double header that we are having today. So over here we have DC Challengers along with KKR. So let's see who wins the game. But before that, we have our pick for Fantasy 11 for the Dream Team. So moving towards the batsmen first, we have Shreyash Iyer, followed by Dhawan, N. Narayan, E. Morgan, Shubham Gill, and P. Shaw. So Shreyash Iyer in good form in the tournament, so definitely is one of the pick. Shikhar Dhawan been on and off the season, misses out because of that, but he's one of the alternative. E. Morgan, he picks himself. Shubham Gill, definitely he's again picking himself. He has been consistent in this tournament so far. And Prithvi Shaw being good in last few games. So we would like to bank upon Shreyash Iyer, S. Gill, E. Morgan, N. Rana, and P. Shaw. And Rana is also consistent with bats, so that's the reason that we have picked these five batsmen in our Fantasy 11. Shikhar Dhawan is one of the options. If you want to try out, definitely go ahead with that and let us know in the comment section how it went. For keeper choice, we have only one choice over here. Rishabh Pant seems to be in relatively poor form, but might just play well in the smallest ground in this tournament. So he makes to our Fantasy 11 for sure. And then moving towards our all-rounder, we have MP Stoinis, AD Russell, and Akshar Patel. So Stoinis bowls his 4 overs and bats higher up, so he's one of the pick. Andre Russell not in good form till now. We haven't seen much of Andre Russell charm till now, right? So he is missing on Fantasy 11, but definitely he's one of the pick for alternative position. Akshar Patel, spinners might get hammered in Sharjah, and that's the only reason that we are missing out on Akshar Patel in a Fantasy 11, although he has been consistent in the tournament and he has played quite well, but Sharjah is not type of a ground that he might be able to give you more points. So our pick for the all-rounder is only MP Stoinis out of these three, and Andre Russell and Akshar Patel are the alternatives. Moving towards the bowlers, we have Cummins, Shivam Mavi, Amit Mishra, K. Rabada, and KL Nagakoti. So Cummins has been really good in the last couple of games, so he makes to our top 11 as well. And Shivam Mavi, excellent in all the 3 games, can be picked in place of Nagakoti. There was a drift between whether to pick Nagakoti or Shivam Mavi. Nagakoti has been given preference since he is considered to be a bowling all-rounder and he is excellent in field as well. So that's why Mavi misses out the spot, but definitely he's an alternative choice. You can pick him up. Amit Mishra so has a knack for picking up wickets and he has been consistent in the game. So you can, we are picking him up and you can also give him a good chance. K. Rabada picks at least 1 wicket in the game. So again, you won't like to miss on Rabada for sure. So he is at least 25 points a bank for you. So these are the choices for the bowlers. PJ Cummins, Amit Mishra, K. Rabada, and KL Nagakoti. S. Mavi is an alternate choice. So guys, this is all the team. Now a quick recap on our batsmen or our complete Fantasy 11 team. We have N. Rana, E. Morgan, Shubham Gill, Prithvi Shaw, Shreyash Iyer, Rishabh Pant, MP Stoinis, PJ Cummins, K. Rabada, Amit Mishra, and KL Nagakoti. We are here for next 20 minutes to answer any of your questions, guys, regarding this team, or if you have any confusions, any doubts, your feedback, suggestion, please do let us know in the comment section. And who have not subscribed till now, do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified for each and every update. Along with that, join our WhatsApp and Telegram group where we would be posting our updated team post toss between 7 p.m. to 7:20 p.m. Whatever are the changes, anyone misses out the spot at the last moment, definitely all updates would be available over there to make your selection more, to increase your winning probability, I would say. So definitely do keep an eye over there. Along with that, as we always promised, we are here to share a pro tip also, which will make your selection more worthwhile. So when the game is in high scoring grounds like Sharjah, fill your team with batsmen and all-rounders, as there's high chance of them doing well. And along with that, whosoever are your top three batsmen, try to make them your captain or vice captain. They give you maximum return. So again, this is the best investment that you can have on the batsman, selecting your captain and vice captain wisely. So guys, do make your choice very wisely so that you can win a lot of amount, and do let us know how you feel about our team selection in our comment section. Thank you all. We will meet again tomorrow. Till then, take care. Goodbye.